Today on YaEat, we will be recapping our first 16 episodes, which include bloopers and shorts. Hello everyone, welcome to YaEat. This is my first episode of a new YouTube cooking channel. We specialize in all foods, but mostly in Italian and seafood. Today I'm going to start with a simple marinara sauce, which will be really delicious. You can make it today. It's really easy. And then we're going to take that sauce and we're going to save it. We're going to freeze it. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the second episode of YaEat. Today we're going to take the marinara sauce out of the freezer that we made from episode 1. I'm going to show you how to take that sauce and turn it into a pink vodka sauce. Let's get started. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome back to our third episode of YaEat. We are overwhelmed with all the views that we've gotten. We really appreciate all the support that we've received in our first couple of episodes, and we ask you to continue to watch because we have some great recipes coming up. You can also hit the subscribe button and then the bell so you don't miss any of our recipes. Then I think I have about 3 different secrets that you need to know to make this the best gravy that you've ever had. Are you ready? Here we go. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our 4th episode of YaEat. We're so happy to have you here. A tremendous engagement on our last episode of Sunday gravy or Sunday sauce. There was a big debate on sauce and gravy and a lot of comments. In the end, gravy was the winner, and I believe it is a gravy. One, I was taught that way. 2, in my research and going through culinary school, there was always debate there as well. When I called it a gravy, I was mocked by my instructor. So, with that said, we're going to cook these Maryland-style crab cakes. Are you ready? Here we go. With some lemon on the side. Oh, I forgot the lemon. Cakes with our arugula salad. If we get this camera down here. Can you get that? Thank you again for joining us. YaEat. YaEat. Welcome back to our 5th episode of YaEat or YaEat. I like to call it YaEat, but a lot of people are calling it YaEat, which makes more sense. Today we're going to be making a classic Italian dish. It's in about every Italian restaurant. It's called chicken Francese. Chicken Francese is a flour and egg dipped chicken with a lemon butter wine sauce. Are you ready? Here we go. Crap. Hello everyone! Welcome back to our 6th episode of YaEat or YaEat. I am overwhelmed with all the amount of views we had. We had over 7,000 views on our chicken Francese recipe in the first 48 hours, and the number is still climbing between Facebook and YouTube. Thank you so much. Are you ready? Here we go. Today we're making a Stromboli. Today I'll be making Stromboli. Today we will be making a Stromboli and garlic, Parmesan cheese, Pecorino Romano cheese, which reminds me, it has arugula and Hello everyone, and welcome back to our 7th episode of YaEat or YaEat. I'm really excited to have you here today. Today we're going to do, I'm just going to put over some pasta, and I'm also going to serve it with some French bread toast that I'm going to just cook real quick on the grill. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm really excited to make one of my favorite dishes, garlic shrimp. We created a new group on these recipes, and next month I'm going to, at the end of the month, next month after 30 days, once we hit at the end of the, let's see. Hello and welcome to our 8th episode of YaEat or YaEat. If you're new, thanks for joining us. If you're coming back, welcome back. Today we're not going to be cooking here. We're going to be on location. As I mentioned in my last episode, I would be catering my sister's daughter's baby shower, and so that's what I did this weekend. Are you ready? Here we go. Right there's the salmon that we used for the teriyaki salmon, and it was awesome. Also picked up some 2125 shrimp for our garlic shrimp. Hello everyone, and welcome to episode 9 of YaEat or YaEat. I'm really excited to have you here. We had a great week. The last week's episode of catering the baby shower was a tremendous hit. My name is Dave. I've been cooking since I was about 13 years old. I've been working in the restaurant business since I was about 15 years old. And I went to culinary school when I was about 18 or 19 years old. I worked in the restaurant industry as an executive chef when I was 22, going on 23. And when I was in about probably my late 20s, early 30s, I decided to get out of the restaurant business and went into the technology field. But I love cooking, so that's why I'm here today. It's chicken soup, but I do it really quickly, 15 to 20 minutes, or mirepoix. Or I like to say mirepoix, it's mirepoix. So we're going to make our rotisserie chicken soup. Are you ready? Here we go.
Get him! Come on, what's the matter with you? Get him! Pick him up! Can't you catch your little chicken? Huh?
We didn't have to go through all that trouble. We just went to the local supermarket and picked up a rotisserie chicken for under $6. Hello everyone, and welcome to our 10th episode of YaEat. I'm really glad to have you here. Welcome back. Today we'll be making sauteed red snapper with vongole clams and black mussels.
Hell, you ain't been hungry
Since the last time you watched YaEat.
You're crazy. What else is new?
Chopped tomatoes, white wine. It would also have some white wine and, well, either way, we're gonna get that going. Hello everyone, and welcome to our 11th episode of YaEat or YaEat. Today we're going to be making a really awesome Italian classic dish, chicken Marsala. Thank you for everyone for tuning in and viewing. Thank you everyone for tuning in and viewing all the episodes. Shows that my hard work is. I appreciate that. And I'd like to continue to offer some really easy Italian and seafood. I would like to continue to. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our 12th episode of YaEat. A few weeks back, we made a chicken soup, and as the weather gets even cooler.
But winter is coming. Winter is coming.
Winter is coming.
Winter may be coming, but I'm afraid the same cannot be said for my brother.
When the winter comes, the 7 gods together couldn't save you and your royal army.
Winter is coming.
Today we're going to be making another soup. Today we'll be making potato leek soup. Are you ready? Here we go. A couple weeks ago we did a rotisserie. A couple weeks ago we prepared a rotisserie chicken soup recipe. A couple weeks ago we made a rotisserie chicken soup recipe. A few weeks ago, we made a rotisserie chicken rotisserie. A few weeks back, we made a rotisserie. A few weeks back, we made a chicken soup. Hello everyone, and welcome to our 13th episode of YaEat. It's been a quick 3 months since we started, and we've had some great engagement, close to 100,000 total views on our videos, so thank you so much for all your support. We'll have to give this a shot. Looks so delicious. Hello everyone, and welcome to our 14th episode of YaEat. I'm so excited to have you as usual. Every week we get more and more people involved, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. Don't forget to like it. Today we're going to be making a great dish. It's farfalle pasta with shrimp and spinach. If you like to print out any of our recipes, go to YaEat.tv and click on the recipe tab. Good stuff right there. Not a lot to it. You don't have to do too much. Very simple ingredients. They taste great on their own.
I like to drink wine more than I used to. Anyway, I'm drinking more.
It's good for you, pal.
I don't know.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello everyone. It's soup. Okay. Today we'll be making farfalle pasta with shrimp and spinach. While you're on YaEat.tv, click on the YouTube scroll. Please click. So, are you ready to make? So we're gonna make that. So we're gonna make some farfalle pasta with shrimp and spinach. Are you ready? Here we go. Hello everyone, and welcome to our 15th episode of YaEat. As usual, I'm so excited to have you here today. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Making a Thanksgiving appetizer that I've made many times over the years. It's a stuffed mushrooms with sweet Italian sausage and broccoli rabe. It's a little Italian twist on a Thanksgiving appetizer. Are you ready? Here we go. For today's stuffed mushroom recipe, thank you for watching everyone today. I'd like to wish everyone and their family a healthy and happy and safe Thanksgiving. See you next week.
It means so much that you're here with us in our home for the holidays.
And that goes for both of us.
How come your damn sister couldn't host?
Because my sister's house is a dump, Daniel!
No, I got to pay for all this damn food? Oh, hell no!
But I know better than to let a meal my wife spent so much time cooking go cold.
Oh, stop. I just threw it together.
No, 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 no!
On this episode of YaEat, we are making chicken Parmesan. Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us on our 16th episode. I'm glad to have you here as usual. We're going to make some really awesome chicken parm. Are you ready? Here we go. This recipe should take you less than an hour.
I'll take your word. It's a little too rich for my stomach.
It's okay, just a bite.
Holy shit.
You mind?
Go ahead.
Thank you for watching. Tune in every Wednesday for a new episode on YaEat.tv, YaEat.tv.